Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today I have the new Nudes palette by Huda Beauty. I am so excited about this. I literally didn't even know that she was coming out with this. And yeah, pop that open. And I saw Beauty News talking about it. And then all of a sudden it was just out and I was like, oh, I need to run to Sephora and I need to buy this now. This is what the palette looks like. I apologize for the weird lighting. I literally just got home from getting this. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so I just had like a really funny blonde moment. So I was looking at these little white spots and like that one especially was so big and I was like, is there mold in this palette? And then as I moved it into the light, it had that like iridescence to it. And I checked the Instagram to make sure that everything was normal, and it is. So blonde moment. Let's get into this. I am so drawn to all of these colors. I don't like basic brown shades, but this is so pretty. Okay, so I went ahead and I swatched everything. I did do indoor and outdoor videos of all the swatches, and just so everyone knows, I wiped all of my fingers off. I didn't have anything on my fingers or on my skin, and I swirled my finger into each shade, matte and shimmer, 3 times, and then I swiped over each spot once. So that's the payoff of everything. For the glitters, I did pat it on my finger and then patted it into a spot, because realistically you're not going to be swiping glitters in my mind. So I already primed my eyes using the Makeup Forever Step 1 shadow and lip primer. I'm just gonna tap into Bare and set the primer. Oh wow, that has got some pigment to it. Now I'm going to be taking Play and placing this into my crease. This is a really good shade if I ever want to blend something out, but not really change the color of anything. Alright, so with the same brush, I just wiped it off a little bit. I'm going to be taking Secret and putting this a little bit lower. Now I'm going to be taking Teddy onto my lid and crease. Now I'm going to be taking Spanked. Now taking Love Bite onto my lash line. I'm going to put lace all over my eyelid. Oh, wow. That is the perfect... Oh, man, I don't have anything like this. Now, you could honestly just leave this like this and have a defined lash line, outer crease, and just leave it like this. But I want to try and play with as much shades as I can. I'm going to take Raw and put this in my outer corner. And I'm going to take Love Bite again, and I'm going to carry that a little bit up into my outer V. I'm going to take Charmed. Let's not use that brush. Oh yeah, this is the better brush to use. I'm gonna take Daydream more on the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna take a little bit of Fantasy and put it along that purple on the lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Love Bite and deepen up that outer V just a little bit more. Gonna take Raw and just blend out the edges of Love Bite. Now I'm gonna take Crave and I'm just gonna pop this. I'm also gonna highlight the brow bone a little bit with Crave. I already got some speckles of eyeshadow in the cream. So I'm just gonna take the concealer and just do something with it. I'm gonna take a little bit of Infatuated and put this over that concealer. Alright, so I just did a little bit of a wing. I just lined my eyes, so give me a second and I am going to do my face off of camera and I will be right back. Alright, so I tried to adjust the lighting a little bit so it's more real lighting, but I'm just gonna take Tinkle and putting this underneath my lash line. I'm gonna take Love Bite and follow my wing up against my lash line like that. I'm gonna take Crave and continue to highlight, put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. Now for lips, I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in the shade 105. Now I'm gonna take the Anastasia lip gloss in Estella. Alright, so this is the finished look. I will do a little clip insert of what this looks like outside because I really feel like the lights and the camera that I have kind of blur everything out to where you can't really see actually how pretty everything is in person. I do think that this palette is definitely worth the money and the hype. I really enjoyed everything in here. I'm not used to having a palette that doesn't have a lot of shades to really deepen up a look, but I do like how this turned out. I am gonna do more looks with this and play with it more because I was just looking at this and I was like, oh, if you just put those three together, those three together, these three together, like you have a super easy quick makeup. Even like these three together, like I feel like the shimmers you can really, and even just like an all matte look. I was doing this and I was thinking of so many different things and I was like, I can't just do one video with this. So I'm definitely gonna try and do a couple more, maybe 2 or 3 more. Just let me know if there's anything in the palette that I didn't really use that you wanted to see. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you have a great rest of your day.